Hello. Today, we are going to bring to your attention the CMM6/7 unit. This is transformer oil degassing equipment with a capacity of 6 cubic meters per hour. The main difference of this unit is full automation of the operating process and the availability of a number of additional options which we are going to consider right now. The unit is equipped with a 10-inch panel. It is possible to supply a 15-inch panel as part of the package. The operation logic is hardwired in the controller. Depending on the selected operation mode, switching of oil flows is ensured by means of control valves and electromagnetic valves. A gear-type meter is used to control and adjust the capacity. This is actually the measuring section. This is the indication screen of the meter. Its readings are duplicated on the control panel. In order to adjust the processing rate, the operator just needs to set the required value. A particle counter is used to monitor the particulate matter removal rate of oil. In order to monitor the moisture content of oil, a moisture sensor is placed at the unit's outlet. Its readings are displayed on the control panel. In addition to an electronic flow switch, the flow can also be monitored in the indicator. Pressure sensors are placed at the inlet and outlet of a fine filter. The state of the filtering element can be evaluated by differential pressure. The unit is equipped with a vacuum sensor which ensures the required accuracy of measurements in accordance with the transformer operating procedures. Well, the most interesting feature of this unit is the possibility to remotely control the equipment via the mobile internet using a laptop, a tablet, or a mobile phone. This automatic degassing unit serves as an example of a modern approach to oil processing where all the process parameters are monitored in real time, and control is organized as conveniently as possible for the user.